mean, you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks.
We met actually, we were on a road trip going to the University of Florida LSU football game in New Orleans, and I approached her at a gas station, did a corny joke, and then about 6 hours later I saw her on Bourbon Street, and we just started hanging out.
No more, it cannot wait.
I don't know, I think that she's just really like funny and lighthearted and just makes me
I think she has a good sense of humor. For the holidays, we went with another couple to the Blue Man Group in Orlando and we had a weekend vacation. And it was just great to get away, see Las Vegas talent, and all that.
We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, loved, loved.